Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is my IPSY box. What come in my IPSY box this month, the month of May. I've already opened it up. Let's see. The theme is called Let Yourself Bloom. Like I just said, I'm burning up. It's actually really hot in here. Everything that come in this box, I tested out today. I think that just about all of the products, I was pretty happy with the majority of them. There were a few little things that just wasn't personally my jam, but other than that, I think that I had ended up with some great products. And if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this very simple, basic, everyday spring, summer look, then just keep watching. Okay, so foundation is done. I did purchase this little headband bow thing. I thought it was really cute. I'm probably not going to keep it. My nose itches. This happens every single time I turn the camera on. Probably not going to keep this. It's probably going to end up in my daughter's collection. But I thought it was really cute. But we are going to use it today. I think I'm off-centered. Is that better? Yeah, okay. Let's get this on. If I can figure out how to... Okay, so like I said, foundation is already done. Now I have my mirror here and then have a little mirror here. There's a lot of new things in here that I don't normally use. Like the first thing up is a contour from Kat Von D, and I didn't grab a pair of scissors. Oops, this box is getting ripped. So here's the package. Yeah, it just got ripped open. Okay, so these are the kind of things that I'm really scared of. This looks really dark, and this is one that I picked out, but it didn't seem so dark online. I don't know what to expect. Okay, so maybe it's not that dark. All right, here we go. First time ever doing a cream contour. Actually, I don't even do contour at all anymore. So how do they do this? Like literally it's been, oh God. Okay. Woo. That's scary. I quit watching makeup tutorial videos like years ago. In case you didn't know, I'm pushing 40. I just had a birthday. Now I'm 37. Yay. So yeah, it's literally been years since I've watched makeup tutorials. So I'm just kind of going off of what they used to do. Okay, so then I think it goes under here to conceal the cheeseburgers, right? And then, oh gosh. Okay. Is that how it works, right? Okay. I'm not doing any more than that just because I am terrified that this will go wrong really, really fast. But yeah, here we go. I do have my little spongy. So it seems that this is drying really, really, really fast. Oh, I forgot to do it here on the forehead. You do it on the forehead too, right? Ooh. I just sit down and I'm already sweating. I think from a distance it's not that bad. I think I'll have to play around with it a little more before I get like super comfortable with it. So next thing in the box is what should I do first? Okay, the translucent powder from Dominique Cosmetics. Again, this was not something that I chose. This was something that they chose for me. I don't really use setting powders, but we're going to, for the video, a little bit. And have my little mirror here. Okay, you already know how I feel about setting powders, especially if you've been watching for a while. If you haven't, this is not really something that I use. I feel like it, I don't know, it feels like it makes me look older and like dusty, and I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Actually, a lot of the times, setting powders really, they like mess with my skin. They break me out. I'm not like super sensitive, but some things, there's just like a few ingredients that just really, really mess with my skin and it cannot handle it. Like anything SPF, if there's SPF in anything, I cannot put it on my face. It will literally break me out to like a rash. And I am sipping tea today. I just recently got a electric kettle and I'm loving it. So I'm kind of in that tea era. Isn't that what the girls say? Tea era. So yeah, I'm branching out and trying new things. Yay me. Okay, so next thing up is from the brand Pink Lips. I have never heard of this before, but it is a eyebrow pencil. And it's really cute packaging. It says, "Girls, be your own star," which is really cute. Let's see. As you can tell, my eyebrows are like the same color as my hair. Yes, I'm a natural blonde. Here we go. Oh, this is really cute. So my go-to is, I didn't bring it in here, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and I've been using it for like the past 6 years, and I can't use anything else. So this is gonna be very strange for me. But it is double-sided. Oh, that's very thin. Where's it at? Oh, like that. Okay, and then here's the other end, the little brush part. Here we go. I like that the brush is really small. Okay. This is very difficult for me to do, by the way. Oh, and the color was Warm Blonde. That goes in there. Warm Blonde is the color. See that light is blinding me. This is awesome. I've never heard of this before. They're slightly uneven. That's just natural. My bad. Pink Lips, and that's with 2 P's. Get in there. Pink Lips. Right here. This is awesome. I don't know what anything costs at the moment. If I can find it on Amazon and it's cheaper. Yes, love this. We have eyeshadow to do. So this is IYS Beauty. And this is the palette Love Yourself. Okay, let's get, I guess the only way to open this is to rip it open, right? There we go. Okay, it's ripped. It's done. There we go. So cute. Oh, love that. All right, let's see. Oh gosh. That's scary. Okay. There was like no basic. I'm a basic bee. Let me find some type of fluffy brush. I should have had my brushes. Here's one. It's dirty. My bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this most basic neutral right here and just do a wash. There is a mirror, but it's very tiny. So I'm gonna keep my mirror right here and this, oh, okay. I tapped it once. There's a smidge of kickback. So let's see. These pans are actually pretty small. Okay, here we go. Okay, not bad. If I can get it to blend out. All right, I like it. That's good so far. It's not really dark. It doesn't give off a ton of pigment, but it does give off just a little bit, and that is a warm tone brown. So it's going to be good for, oh, hang on, I should probably keep that out for blending later. Oh gosh. This one looks like a cool tone. That's like a maroony, yeah, it's like a maroon brown. Is that a thing? Okay, here's another one. It's a little bit more flat. And I'm gonna go in with this. It's almost like a maroony brown look. You see the difference in these two? This is the one that I just went in with. This one I'm gonna use to deepen up the crease just a smidge, but not too much because I don't want my eye to completely disappear. So I'm just going to over here. Ooh, a little bit, not too much. Up and out. Ah. Okay, this is messing up real bad. I'm gonna have to work hard to come back from that. Just at the corner, up and out, flicking it out. There we go. Okay, so on camera it actually doesn't look. Since there is no like base, I'm going to use this, it's just a setting powder that I use to set my eyelids after I put my foundation on, and I just kind of tap into it, and I'm just going to kind of blend these together and kind of tone down the brown just a smidge. There is a lot of kickback from this pan. Okay, so there are 3 shimmers. This yellow, this mustard yellow, is not gonna work good with my skin tone and my hair. I usually don't go to gold. It's more of like a bronzy gold. Here, let me do a little swatch for you. So that's not completely terrible. Here's the blue. Where did I do that at? See, that is so, and then the pink or fuchsia. Bring her down here. Okay, so that's actually not that bad. That pink is not, I was thinking the pink was going to be as intense as the blue, and it's actually not. So, I bet it will be if I use some, like setting mist or something. Color scares me. Just gonna put that out there. I'm gonna use my finger, and I'm just going to do this goldish color. It's not super intense, like that greeny, oh my nose, like that greenish blue is very intense. So I'm just a little smidge on the lid. I have no reason to take it all the way to the top. Basically what happens with hooded eyes, if you take it all over the lid, it's going to sit right in here. Because see, look. It's going to sit in there and it's going to crease. So I'm just going to keep it low to the lash line. And then up in this little V on the outer corner, and then I'm going to use the same brush that I used earlier to just kind of swish it around up and a nose. Okay, just kind of swish it around like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my mascara on. Okay, and now we're back to move on to the last product that come in my IPSY box this month, and it is Galactic Rose Lip Oil. If you can see that from the reflection. There we go. whale. There we go. Ooh, that is so pretty. Holy crap. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's plastic. I thought it was glass, like a little glass vial. Okay, so since this is clear, I do want to go ahead and do a lip product real quick, and we will top that off. I've been using this MAC for years. This is literally the end of it. There we go. Oh, and I forgot to do my lip liner. I've been trying to make my lips look plumper by using lip liner. But I forgot that part just because I'm not used to using lip liner. And then just go in with the clear. It says it's an oil, but it definitely feels more like a gloss. Whew. Okay, let me go comb this mess out and I'll be right back. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. What do you think? I think it all turned out really nicely. The only thing I'm really concerned with is the contour, just because it's not something that I use all the time, like ever. It has been probably 5 years since I've bought any contour. Like I got into the bronzer for a little bit, and then I don't even do bronzer anymore. I'm just super basic with makeup, and so this is definitely new for me. I'm probably not gonna use it a ton, unless I'm just like playing around trying to learn new things. Setting powder seems to be pretty good. My face feels very soft and smooth. I don't know how it's going to wear throughout the rest of the day, because I do have, you know, a few fine lines like around my eyes and my forehead and that sort of thing. So I'm not sure how that is going to last. The lip oil is pretty good. It's, you know, it's clear. Which is why I chose it, just to have something clear, because I have so many different color things, and then I'm so picky with colors. But this is pretty good. Love this eyebrow pencil. It is very thin and fine, and this is the warm blonde, and so I think that it works perfectly with my hairline. Like, I think it's pretty close to like the roots. So this apparently is a lot blonder than my roots, and you're supposed to match your brows to your roots. Fun fact if you didn't know that. What was the other thing? Oh, this little headband thing, really cute. It's probably gonna end up being taken over by one of my daughters. Also, I'm trying the middle part. I think that middle parts look ridiculous on everyone, including myself, but I have two little girls and they both give me a hard time because I still do the side part, which I think the side part is super flattering on everyone, no matter the person. Like, it's a very select few people that can pull off a middle part, and I don't think I'm one of them, but I am giving it a go. I'm gonna try it for at least a couple weeks to see if I like it or not. But anyways, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. What did you think of the products that come in my IPSY box? If I can find them on Amazon for a cheaper price than what IPSY sells them for, I will link them below. And with all of that said, I hope you guys have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you next time. Bye.